Are you one of those people that bought cryptocurrencies because your friend or uncle made a lot of money a while ago? Are you still investing in cryptocurrencies? Well, in this video, you will find out 10 reasons why you shouldn't. I'm Jack of all trades, and today we will look at 10 compelling reasons why you might want to pump the brakes on your crypto investments. So stop losing money, keep watching to find out where you are and what investment might be better suited for long-term gains. Enjoy the video. Okay, I get it. It's easy to get swept away by the allure of cryptocurrencies, the promise of quick riches and the tales of people turning a few bucks into millions. But wait, before you keep watching those mesmerizing price charts and counting your crypto monies, it's time for a reality check. Now, I'm not here to rain your digital parade or scare you away from this thrilling financial frontier. I'm here to give you some knowledge, to help you make the smartest decisions possible. It's all about making those well-informed choices that could save you from potential pitfalls. But before we dive into the juicy details, do me a favor and please smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable financial insights. So for anyone new to cryptocurrencies, let's quickly go over what it is and then dive into why you shouldn't buy them. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments like the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology or other distributed ledger technologies. Famous examples of cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Okay, so here are the 10 reasons why I do not buy crypto, but instead invest in stocks. 1. Lack of intrinsic value. One of the criticisms often leveled against cryptocurrencies is their lack of intrinsic value. Unlike traditional assets like stocks, which represent ownership in companies with assets and earnings, cryptocurrencies are digital assets that are not tied to any physical or income-generating entity. Apple spends money to make iPhones and generates income to sell them. They create value. The value of cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, is driven primarily by supply and demand. Traditional investments often benefit from fundamental analysis, where investors can assess the financial health and performance of companies. Cryptocurrencies lack traditional financial statements, making it challenging to conduct fundamental analysis. If you can't estimate its value, then you can't put a price on it. In my earlier video, I elaborated more on the difference between price and value. You should watch it after this clip to find out more. 2. Lack of income generation. Unlike some investments that provide regular income, such as dividend-paying stocks or rental properties, cryptocurrencies do not generate income. Investors in cryptocurrencies rely primarily on capital appreciation for returns, which may not align with income-oriented investment strategies. So if it's income that you want, don't buy cryptocurrencies. 3. High volatility. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are known for their extreme price volatility. Prices can fluctuate significantly within short time frames, leading to the potential for substantial gains or losses. This volatility can be unsettling for investors who are risk-averse or have a low tolerance for price swings. Many investors in cryptocurrencies are driven by speculation rather than utility or intrinsic value. This speculative behavior can lead to rapid price bubbles and subsequent crashes. An example of a huge crash is the Luna crash in 2022. Where the crypto lost more than 99.99% of its value. This stablecoin was supposed to maintain the value of $1, but when this failed, there was a huge panic sale, which led to this catastrophe. High volatility leads to higher gains or losses. Losses hurt more than gains give pleasure. This phenomenon, where losses have a stronger emotional impact than gains of equivalent magnitude, is known as loss aversion. Loss aversion is a concept that has been widely studied in the field of behavioral economics and psychology, and it's a fundamental aspect of human decision-making. In easy numbers, when you lose 50%, you have to make 100% gain to compensate for it, while when you gain 100%, you only have to lose 50% to get back to the same level. Investing in highly volatile assets like cryptocurrencies can be emotionally challenging too. Price fluctuations can evoke strong emotions, causing investors to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Emotional trading can lead to suboptimal investment outcomes. 4. Limited historical data. Cryptocurrencies are relatively new compared to traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds, As a result, there is limited historical data available to assess their long-term performance and behavior in various economic conditions. This lack of historical context can make it challenging to make informed investment decisions. 5. Lack of diversification. Investing in cryptocurrencies can lead to concentration risk in your portfolio. Even though cryptocurrencies can vary a lot, they are all in the same niche of the market. Stocks, on the other hand, represent many different companies in many different sectors and countries, so diversification is easier to achieve. This can be done either through buying different stocks or by buying ETFs, which contain different stocks. 6. Regulation is lacking. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies varies widely by country and is constantly evolving. Some governments have embraced cryptocurrencies, while others have imposed strict regulations or outright bans. This regulatory uncertainty can create legal and compliance risks for crypto investors, and changes in regulation can also significantly impact the market. Governments around the world are continuously evaluating and changing their regulations related to cryptocurrencies. New regulations or government actions can have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency markets are less regulated than traditional financial markets, making them susceptible to market manipulation, including pump and dump schemes and insider trading. This lack of oversight can expose investors to risks associated with fraudulent activities. A recent scandal related to fraudulent activities is the story of FTX. FTX was a cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2019 by Sam Bankman-Fried. It quickly became one of the most popular exchanges in the world, known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. However, in November 2022, FTX collapsed. This was due to a number of factors, including poor risk management, risky investments, and a liquidity crisis. Bankman-Fried had borrowed billions of dollars from customers to invest in other crypto projects. When these projects lost value, Bankman-Fried was unable to repay the loans. This led to a liquidity crisis, as customers began to withdraw their funds from FTX in large numbers. FTX was unable to meet the withdrawal demands and was forced to halt withdrawals altogether. This led to a panic, and the value of FTT, FTX native token, plummeted. On November 11, 2022, FTX filed for bankruptcy. This was a major blow to the crypto industry, and it showed that even the biggest and most successful exchanges are not immune to failure. The collapse of FTX also raised concerns about the safety of customer funds on crypto exchanges. The collapse of FTX is a reminder that the crypto industry is still in its early stages of development, and that there are significant risks involved in investing in cryptocurrencies. 7. Accessibility. Despite the hype surrounding cryptocurrencies, they are not widely accepted as a means of payment. Limited adoption for everyday transactions can hinder their practical utility. Safely storing and managing cryptocurrencies can be challenging, especially for individuals who are not technologically savvy. Mismanagement of private keys or wallets can result in irreversible loss of funds, which leads to the following reason. 8. Security risks. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, and if not properly secured, they can be vulnerable to theft, hacking, and fraud. Instances of exchanges being hacked and users losing their funds have been reported. Individuals who do not take adequate precaution to protect their private keys and wallets can face substantial risks. The consumers are also not well protected. Unlike traditional financial systems, cryptocurrencies often lack consumer protection, such as deposit insurance. If you lose access to your cryptocurrency wallet or become a victim of fraud, there may be limited resources for recovering your funds. 9. Technological risks. Cryptocurrencies rely on complex technology infrastructure, including blockchain networks. Technical issues, software bugs, or vulnerabilities in the underlying technology can result in the loss of funds or disruption in the network. It is always advisable to only invest in things that you understand. If you don't know how it works, don't buy it. 10. High energy consumption. Cryptocurrencies with a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, such as Bitcoin, have high energy consumption. This is because proof-of-work requires miners to solve complex mathematical problems in order to verify transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This process requires a lot of computing power, which consumes a lot of energy. The Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index estimates that Bitcoin consumes around 110 terawatt hours of electricity per year. This is equivalent to the annual electricity consumption of a small country like Malaysia or Sweden. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, are moving to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Proof-of-stake is much less energy intensive than proof-of-work, and it is expected to reduce the energy consumption of Ethereum by over 99%. Overall, the energy consumption of cryptocurrencies is a complex issue. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have very high energy consumption, while others, such as Ethereum, are moving to more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms. It is important to research the energy consumption of a cryptocurrency before investing in it. And there you have it, the 10 reasons why I'm not rushing into buying crypto anytime soon. I hope you found this video enlightening and thought-provoking. My goal was not to scare you, but to provide you with my perspective. I am a long-term investor, and investing in stocks fits that strategy. I believe that the asset that I buy should create value by itself and not only rely on what the next fool is going to pay for it. That's why I prefer stocks over crypto. If you enjoyed this content and want more insightful discussions about finance and investing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button below. And of course, ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Now, before we part ways, I want to hear from you. What's your take on the crypto craze? Do you think it's better to invest in stocks, or do you believe I'm talking nonsense? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I reply to every one of them. And if you liked it, then please press the appropriate button for that. Thank you. See you next time.